Hello everyone, welcome to Linux tutorial. Welcome back to my channel, and today video I will show you how to extract high quality MP3 audio from any MP4 video using simple command FFmpeg. Let's start. First things first, you need to have FFmpeg installed in your system. If you haven't installed yet, just head over to the FFmpeg website and download the appropriate version for your operation system and your distribution. If you use Linux, once that's done, you're ready to extract the audio from video files. So the command is FFmpeg -vn -sn -dn -i input.mp4 -codec parenthesis a lib MP3 LAME qscale parenthesis a for output.mp3. Now let me break down the command we'll be using. Here the vn tells FFmpeg to ignore the video stream, -sn ignores the subtitle stream, -dn ignores the data stream, -input.mp4 specifies the input video file, -codec parenthesis lib MP3 LAME selects the LAME MP3 encoder for the audio, -qscale 4 sets the audio quality. The lower the number, the higher the quality, which 4 begin good balance between quality and file size. Output.mp3 is the name of output audio file. Once you run the command, you will get the MP3 file encoded, and we have checked it, that it opens and it plays sound we have instructed for MP4 video with VOC player. So that's it. It works. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. See you soon on Linux tutorials. Bye bye.